So guys, how are you? So guys, today I am gonna review about one slime. So the slime is front of me. So this slime, Japanese language I can read basically, and it's orange color. I think it's from the company's name of this is Jiang Feng. And guys, this is so gorgeous, and I'm gonna open it and show it. So let's do the camera down. So see it. Wait, this is the slime. So guys, let's open it. Whoa, it's looking gorgeous. So guys, I'm gonna take it this outside right now. So guys, before this, I'm gonna tell you one thing, that guys, if you play so much slime, your hand will be wet and you can get one type of infection. So then play slime more. I also don't want to play this, only for the video I bought this from 50 taka. And let's start now showing. So I'm gonna take it outside. You need to do it like this. So guys, the slime come outside. It's like squishy, soft. See, and it's a gel. It's one kind of gel. And see it. It's looking clear also. So guys, we can make this in home also, and it's home. We can make it home. How I'm telling you. First, you'll buy a clear glue from a shop. Then you need to pour the glue in a bowl. Then basically you need to keep two spoon salt in it. Then stir it, and then you need to put it in the microwave oven for 1 minute. Then you need to move it again with giving again some salt. Then basically after stirring like 5-6 minutes, it will become slime. And guys, how many person like my video? Please give like and subscribe my channel, and write if you like the slime, write in the comment box. I can send for you. And so another thing, the slime like that, the slime who make that, like we cannot make, but some person can make. Who make this thing, they can make clearly and they can tell perfectly that with what they make. And like, we don't know how to make. So guys, thank you for watching my video, and today I am gonna end this vlog in there. So assalamu alaikum and bye.